Hello everyone and welcome back. My kitchen needs a deep cleaning and organization. Every 2 months I reorganize my kitchen and try to figure out some better space saving storage ideas. Now as you can see, my kitchen is quite small, so every time I clean it I also declutter and organize it mindfully. My fridge top turned into a dumping ground which I've decided to clean and organize. There are a lot of things cluttered around that are rarely used, so I've decided to keep them away till they are required again. So now let's dig into this therapeutic process of cleaning. Starting with the fridge top that has been bothering me since ever. I wanted to do this step by step, so started with clearing the space. The surface was mostly covered, so a little scrubbing was all that it needed in the name of cleaning. The cover I had been using for a couple of years now is damaged, so I had to replace it with a new one. I bought it from DMart and it's not a very fancy piece but serves the purpose. The backsplash of the countertop stretches to a certain height, which is why it is not possible to reach it on usual days. It collects a little bit of dust and stickiness, which I tackle during the deep cleaning. This space was created during my last kitchen makeover using a multi-purpose microwave stand and this yellow trunk. I was using it as a pantry storage for my small family of 3. I realized that the lid of the trunk was hindering the accessibility. So at most occasions when I was in a rush, I skipped opening it and the storage slowly stopped serving its purpose. I'm planning to repaint the trunk and repurpose it for good, but for now I'm just storing the rarely used stuff in it. This small step gave me a lot of usable space to store pantry in a much functional way. Now let us see how. This stand had a bottom shelf as well, which I dismantled. I always knew I may need it again, so I kept it safely. So after deep cleaning the space, we are reattaching the bottom shelf and voila! I'm already using one such box for storage, so I knew it's quite functional. So I bought one more of a bigger size. It held almost all the things that I needed to store here. The best part is its accessibility, which makes it beyond functional for my current kitchen requirements. Now it was time for the upper shelf. Because the trunk storage was not as accessible, I started stacking everything up here. I'm finally clearing the heap and distributing it to both the shelves equally. Every time while cleaning and reorganizing, I try to recognize the overused and underused parts and then try to figure out better ways to make it functional because I believe in utility before beauty. This doesn't just apply on kitchen space but every other part of your home for that matter. After getting done with all the arduous tasks, it's finally time for something no-brainer. The platform is often cleaned, so it's not as dirty. My house help does it her way on usual days, but I still prefer cleaning it myself weekly. So as you can see, the backsplash as well as the countertop are pretty much clean, but I'll still give it a good wash and deep clean it for now. Products that you see in this video are all linked in the description box. There are some changes in the kitchen organization and decor which you'll get to see in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you love watching such simple homemaking vlogs, do suggest what are some homemaking topics you want me to cover here. Do let me know if you found the video helpful and enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for making it till here. On that note, I'll wrap up this video and see you next week. Till then, keep smiling and take care. Bye-bye.